See that, your ovary?
Alright.
The ovary there?
God, let it be.
What? Ovary to the uterus. So number 1 is, number 2 is fallopian tube. Clear? Remember, ovarian ligament could be ovary. Of course, number 3 is the fimbria, but I didn't put up the infundibulum round ligament, number 29. That's round ligament. I put it there, right? This part would be your suspensory ligament. Why? Because it has all here that would represent the suspensory ligament of the ovary. Probably I would ask, okay, this is your uterus, this is your vagina, looking now here, and labia majora, labia minora, clitoris. Of course, cervix, number 6. The cervix there. That's it, right? So you see it also here, because this is, I might use this also, because remember this one, okay? Of course, this is the majora, minora, the vagina, the uterus, the fallopian tube, of course, the ovarian ligament there, and this would be your ovary. Round ligament. You see that round ligament? Okay? This one. Almost the same. Except probably the cervix is not well, it's not good for the cervix. Okay? Any other questions? Okay, now for the males. Oh, then here this be your fallopian tube. This is your ovary. Okay, your uterus, vagina. This would be your what? Ovarian ligament. This is your fallopian tube. This would be your ovarian ligament. Clear? Remember, ligament connects the ovary to the uterus. Okay? Now for the male, I forgot to use the sperm. Okay, let's start this. Number 1. Number 2 is epididymis. This is your vas deferens. Number 4, it is still vas deferens. Of course, it is the ampulla of the body. Number 5 is your seminal vesicle. The duct coming from the seminal vesicle plus the end of the vas deferens would unite to form your number 6, ejaculatory duct. So number 6 would be the ejaculatory duct. It's only a short tube. And from this, it is already your urethra. Okay, prostatic urethra, membranous urethra, penile urethra. What else? Corpora cavernosa. This is one of the erectile tissue. This would be this one. Corpora spongiosa is this one. It actually surrounds the urethra. And the enlarged tip of the corpora spongiosa is your glans penis. Clear? Where is the Cooper's gland? Anybody could show me the Cooper's gland? It's very small there. That's your number 8. You see the number 8 there? That is your Cooper's gland. This one. Okay? Did I mention everything? The testis, epididymis, vas deferens, seminal vesicle, urethra, corpora cavernosa, spongiosa, glans penis, prostate gland, Cooper's gland. Oh, I forgot seminal vesicle. Oh yeah, here. I include the sperm, of course, the head, the midpiece, and the tail. Clear? Now for the other, same thing here. This would be what? Vas deferens.